Greetings from Bluff. Today is December 26th, we're on our way to Stewaart Island. You know, I call Bluff the arsehole of New Zealand for reasons. It's freezing cold and it's windy. So we awoke this morning in Bluff, leaving our hotel fairly early for the 8 o'clock ferry. So jumping on the ferry to come to Stewaart Island, oh boy was it rough. But I think it's always rough. It's called the Roaring Forties, it's Foveaux Strait. And going across Foveaux Strait, you go across what are called the oyster beds. That is where, during winter time, they dredge up oysters, pretty much best oysters in the world, Bluff oysters. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, I feel sick. We're on Stewaart Island. This is the visitor centre. Hopping off of the ferry in Bluff, basically our travel itinerary for the day was based on weather, what the weather was going to do. Turns out we missed out the chance to go to Ulva Island, the bird sanctuary, the bird tour today, and we're going to be doing that tomorrow morning. So we go to the information centre and it's like, okay, we want to rent our car, 1 o'clock. And then they tell us, oh, you're supposed to be here 10 minutes ago. Get on the bus. So we get on the bus and it's like we start driving around this bus tour, which is what you just saw. And they start showing, oh, this is the main street and this is the other areas. And it's like, hang on, where's the rental cars? We say, we're supposed to be renting a car. And they're like, oh, sorry, I'll take you back to the visitor centre. So yeah, we had to come back. Anyway, we're doing our little chicky tour around the narrow, windy roads of Stewaart Island right now. You will notice in these time-lapse videos that the roads are rather narrow, rather steep, rather windy, and not the most pleasant roads in the world to drive on. And there's not many roads here, to be honest. There's only one town on the entire island of Stewaart Island, Oban. There are roads in that town and there are roads around that town, and you can't go driving around the entirety of Stewaart Island. You can't. There's just a few roads here. So when you go renting a car, they tell you you can't go here, you can't go there, no dirt roads, all this kind of thing. So we drove around and we just had a picnic and we just relaxed. And it was a break that we really needed, because the last few days going through the Catlins, we've just been rushed off our feet getting activities done. Our bodies are still sore from climbing hills and things. We needed a recovery time. But it was a good day today in Stewaart Island, a great rest day. And boy, did the weather change. Just, you know, 1 minute we're sitting down there having a picnic, and then the next minute it's bucketing rain, and then it's sunny again, and it's rain all day long. The weather is highly changeable, and that is what the weather is like on Stewaart Island. Tune in for next video, because in the next video we're going on Ulva Island to a bird sanctuary. The entirety of Ulva Island is a bird sanctuary, where we're hopefully going to see some less common native birds. So that's what's coming up. I'm done talking. It's your turn. See ya.